Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the network lag detected error in PUBG. This will help you get smooth gameplay again. Let's get started. First, head over to the Start menu, type in Control Panel, and click to open it. In the top right corner, change View by to large icons. Now, click on Network and Sharing Center. On the left-hand side, click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your Wi-Fi connection and select Properties. Uncheck the box next to Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click OK. Now, right-click your Wi-Fi again, go to Properties, and recheck Internet Protocol version 4, then click OK. Right-click your Wi-Fi one more time, select Properties, then double-click Internet Protocol version 4. Switch Obtain DNS server address automatically to use the following DNS server addresses. Type these numbers: 8888, 8844. Click OK to save the changes. Next, open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt type IP Protocol Configuration/flush DNS and press Enter. Then type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Once done, restart your computer. And that's it. After restarting, your network lag detected error should be fixed. If this video helped, drop a like, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more PUBG and gaming tips.